everything back to school. This morning, we're talking tax-free shopping.
Yeah, it actually starts today. It runs through Sunday.
Yep.
As News Channel 8's Ryan Hughes reports, the three-day event allows people to buy certain school supplies without paying sales tax.
Soon, bells will ring in classes at schools all over the Tampa Bay area, marking the start of another school year. But before all those little minds are hard at work, parents can get them prepared to prosper and save a few bucks, too.
It truly is like a holiday. It's something that people mark on their calendars, they get excited about.
The 2016 back-to-school sales tax holiday starts today and runs until Sunday night. The state waives sales tax on certain clothes, footwear, and accessories selling for $60 or less. Most school supplies up to $15 are tax-free as well. Last year's event lasted 10 days. This year, it's only 3.
It's just a couple days, and, you know, sending kids back to school is an expensive time in a lot of people's lives. I mean, I think it's gonna, it's certainly gonna help.
We turn to the experts at Florida Tax Watch to find out if the state takes a big hit when tax isn't collected. They told us, don't worry, it makes a tiny dent.
The impact on the state coffers is actually very small. I mean, we have an $82 billion budget. This will be about $28 million in tax savings this year.
If you don't feel like leaving your home to shop in the busy stores, Walmart offers tax-free savings on its website. Other stores like JCPenney, Best Buy, and Office Depot allow in-store pickup options. I'm Ryan Hughes, News Channel 8.
Well, here's the neat part. This tax-free holiday applies to anyone shopping, not just parents of school-age children. We've put a complete list of supplies you can buy on our website, WFLA.com. And be sure to stay tuned to News Channel 8 for your most comprehensive back-to-school info. All month, we're looking at what teachers, parents, and students need to know. Everything from school bus safety to classroom anxiety. You don't want to miss Get Schooled every weekday morning.